Okay, let's look at Boolean not operator. So basically, it does reverse the meaning of a condition true and false. So if the condition is true, you will reverse to false. If it's false, then reverse to true. Let's have a look at the example. Grade 87. If not grade, -1. Um, sorry, that should be equal to -1. Print. We will print a grade. Okay. So because the grade is 87, which is not okay, equal to -1, that is not true. So it's false and then reverse. So at the beginning it was false. Then we have a not false, means it become true. We go to the next line, we print a grade. If you don't want to use a not, you can use a not equal. So let me remove not. Then we can say not equal to -1. It does exactly the same thing. So basically saying the grade is not equal to -1, which is false. When it becomes true, so that we print the grade, so we will end up with the exactly same answer, 87. Okay, so we talk about Boolean operator and or the last one is not. That's all. Thank you.